Why be more healthy? The number one reason is that we need health to be able to get what we want. Health may not be everything, but the moment we lose our health, we might lose everything. Health is wealth. In fact, our health is our first form of wealth. Therefore, our health is our investment in ourselves. How to be more healthy? First, advanced checkups of our vital organs. Second, a healthy lifestyle. Third, functional foods. The basic vital organs to check are the heart, brain, lungs, and kidneys. The focus is on circulation. Focus on the circulatory system, which involves the heart, brain, lungs, and kidneys. This is to avoid the number one killer of men, which is a heart attack, stroke, and kidney failure. The basic healthy lifestyle is sunbathing, aerobic exercise, water, nutrition, stress management. Then, take functional food supplements that support our DNA health, DNA stability, DNA repair. DNA stands for Deoxyribose Nucleic Acids. DNA is the molecular foundation of our life. DNA contains the blueprint for how the body would grow, develop, reproduce and survive. DNA is the starting point in the central dogma of life. DNA, RNA, protein are the three parts involved. DNA stands for Deoxyribose Nucleic Acid. RNA stands for Ribose Nucleic Acid. The three steps in the central dogma of life are DNA replication, transcription and translation. Why do we recommend ImuRegen? Simple. The ImuRegen has the basic dietary ingredients that support the central dogma of life. The basic ImuRegen ingredients are 1. Complex dietary nucleotides, 2. Amino acids, 3. Peptides. ImuRegen is manufactured and imported from the Czech Republic and patented in 1983. This is more than 30 years ago and is now backed by many research studies. Forever Healthy Products, LLC, led by President Leon Katz, and CEO Dr. Susan Barlin, Ph.D. Forever Healthy Products LLC has the global exclusive rights of ImuRegen, since 2016. On DNA Health, https://humannowellness.com and get in touch with the person who shared this video.